Welcome to Everything Currency. This is the show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about these charts. Bearish things we are going on about these charts. Want to talk to you about it. It's looking kind of sucky for the next couple of days, maybe the next couple of weeks. We shall see. I want to talk to you guys about an NFT project that I'm looking at getting into, because NFTs, surprisingly, if they have good communities and they have people behind it, and if they can keep these things going, they're actually becoming a little bit of a store of value for some people in this market right now when things are dipping. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and let's just get right into it. So first things first, Bitcoin. Right now, the first thing that I hate to see on this chart is that we're below the 13 moving average on the weekly. The second thing that I hate to see is that this bearish cross on the MACD actually happened. Now, this could be a fake out, which overall it might be. We don't know yet, but it could be a fake out, and history could be repeating like I talked about in my last video, and we can bounce somewhere down here. A lot of people are saying, hey, we want to bounce at the 35k level. There's so many people saying that we want to bounce at the 35k level that I don't think it's gonna happen. That's how many people are saying it. What I want to see is that we just kind of go sideways for a little bit between 39 and like 45, or 49k. That's the super bullish scenario. Just going sideways right there for a little bit, and then letting the market kind of figure out what it's gonna do. But there's a lot of black swan things and stuff like that going on, and this cross right here will give some time to cool off on that. But overall, everyone's talking about the Bitcoin ETF. History is repeating so much. This Bitcoin ETF thing was what everybody was talking about, and now China is banning Bitcoin again. China is like banning keywords on the internet. You can't buy miners and stuff like this. So the FUD is going crazy right now, and usually when that happens, there's like huge shakeouts, and then the price goes and does what it does. So looking at that, it's just like, hey, if the price is gonna do what it always does, and hey, it's probably gonna come down a little bit, and that will suck. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance though, because our altcoin bags, what are we gonna do? So for the short term, the Bitcoin altcoin bags, this is not good right here. If this crosses, Bitcoin could have a nice spike in the dominance, which is just basically showing that the total 2 is losing strength versus Bitcoin right here. And this pattern, of course, is ugly. Couple red weeks, but hopefully we bounce right here on the $1 trillion level. That's pretty much our major support. If we bounce below that at like 951 billion, that's gonna hurt for the altcoin bags. We can see altcoins losing another 20 to 35%, and that will be sucky, but it could be an opportunity to pick up some more altcoins if you're a long-term hodler. So you guys know me, I look at this market in every which way, because I have long-term bags that I'm just super bullish on, holding on to those for the long term. I got short-term bags that I'm looking to flip, and everything in between. So yeah, that's just what it is. The only bullish signs that we have for this altcoin thing right here is that we're above the 13 moving average on the weekly, and if we drop down, we can come and bounce off the 34 moving average, and hopefully things just go sideways for a little bit and get rid of some of this bearishness going on in the market right now. So not a very bullish video today, have to admit it. Not very bullish signs on the charts, but usually there might be some fake outs if the whole market is thinking one way. You know how these things go. That's just what I'm hoping right now, to be honest with you. This is not financial advice. Take these things into consideration. The markets are pretty rocky right now all around, especially in the mainstream scheme of things. So there is something going on with NFTs though. For example, this project right here, Penelope's Cat Club, these JPEGs are at a floor price of 0.58 ETH, so they are holding their value. They're actually up right now. You could have minted these things when I talked about them on the channel. I think they were minting for 0.08 or 0.02 or something like that, but nonetheless, they're still up. They're still up a lot. Shout out to the guy who won one in the giveaway. I know his is gonna sell for more than the floor price, and so I said it's pretty interesting to see that these communities that are being created, some of the use cases that are being created with these NFTs are actually becoming a store of value for some people. Like if you bought a bunch of these at a low price, it's holding up better than some of the altcoins, and you can sell them at the floor price. And you can even, you know, they have a way that you can sell these for the per token and at the floor price at any time if you want to. But the floor price is actually a bad metric for NFTs, because if you're going to value, you know, a collection by the suckiest one in the deck, like that kind of sucks, right? So you want to, there needs to be a better way that we can value these, but it's kind of tough because, so we just go by the floor price, like that's the cheapest you can get one for right now. But if you really want to get one, you know, that you like, and you scroll down, you know, the prices start to go up pretty quick. You get to 0.75. You want one with a crown, 0.75 to buy it right now, or you just got to bid on some of them because they're not even selling. But there is a project that I like right now with a pretty nice floor price, and that is the non-fungible heroes with a floor price of 0.15. So you can get one, you know, at around this level. And I feel like this project, I've been watching it since before it dropped, but I didn't get into it because they had a bunch of other things going on. But I like the artwork. That's one of the main reasons why I like this project. So if you're buying art, you know, it's good idea to like the artwork, obviously. But you know, there's, coming to the website, they have a pretty cool website right here, and there's heroes, villains, and gods, and it's pretty dope. Check out the website, and you can come read about it if you want to learn about the project. But the floor price is looking pretty cool. I think I'm gonna buy this one right here because I like his crown, and it's not too much higher than the floor price. But yeah, this is just a project that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So let me know if you guys like this project, or if anybody from the Everything Currency community is in the non-fungible heroes community right now. Let me know what you guys think about the video overall. What do you guys think about NFTs? Do you think that they're going to continue to be a store of value for some people? I think the pretty strong communities may be, because art is a pretty strong store of value for people in the strong communities. Like if people want to buy it, then people will spend money on it, you know, of course. But you know, if it's just some random JPEG that like any other random person threw up, not some famous artist or something like that, then I don't think it's gonna hold a lot of value. So let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots. Happy Tuesday. Till next time, peace.